some men hunger for change.
CM Punk is WWE Champion!
This is the new face of the WWE.
CM Punk stole the voice of the WWE.
Some men hunger for glory.
This title is where it belongs.
And the fact that I gotta sit on the bench for a little while, quite frankly, it sucks.
Some men hunger for respect.
I command respect.
Enough! I would like nothing more than to go to Hell in a Cell to compete against you for the WWE Championship. And then I look at Ryback, all he cares about is kicking somebody's ass. CM Punk, you need to get your ass whipped. Feed me more! Feed me more!
But some men hunger for more.
Will defend the WWE Championship inside Hell in the Cell against Ryback. Oh man! Ryback has shell-shocked the WWE Champion!
Hell in the Cell, the undefeated challenger versus the defiant champion.
The Cell was introduced 15 years ago this month, and this match has changed men. It has cut short careers, and in turn, has made legends.
Yeah, Tim White, the referee, never came back from simply refereeing a Hell in a Cell match. That's how dangerous this structure is.
Throughout his run as champion, King, CM Punk has won every match imaginable, but he's never won inside Hell in a Cell.
What a week it's been for Ryback. Back on Monday, he defeated former WWE Champion The Miz on Raw. And on Main Event on Wednesday, he beat former World Champion Dolph Ziggler.
And we saw him manhandle CM Punk as he went off the air on Monday night.
Yeah, but Ryback has never been in a cage match, and he's certainly never been in Hell in a Cell. It's sink or swim for this beast tonight.
King, you mentioned earlier that there were rumors swirling about CM Punk being scared to get into the Cell with Ryback. Do you believe CM Punk is scared?
Well, 343 days as champion says you're not scared of anything. I'm willing to bet that CM Punk learned a lot in his first Hell in a Cell match against Undertaker in 2009. That might give him some confidence.
I don't see any confidence in CM Punk. We've already seen Paul Heyman earlier tonight lobbying on Punk's behalf to get this match canceled. It seems to me that Punk is very anxious and apprehensive to be in this environment with a 300-pound animal.
CM Punk has had an incredible title reign, but it looks like it may end at 343 days here tonight.
King, I think it's safe to say that day 343 of this title reign has been the worst for CM Punk.
Yeah, and it looks... Oh, man. Ryback's got Punk up. Going for shell shock. Wait a minute. Oh, and what the hell? The referee, Brad Maddox, is... Hey, look at this. And look now, a quick count. I can't believe what I just saw. Ryback had this match won. Oh, boy. And now Ryback is after Punk. And sending Punk into the cage. And do you blame him? That crooked referee, Brad Maddox, just cost Ryback the title. Well, Brad Maddox, I'm afraid, is going to get his. Payback is hell, Maddox. Oh, man, the meat hook. Okay, Brad Maddox is going to pay. Still can't figure out what Brad Maddox was thinking. Well, he won't be thinking after this. Oh! Look out! Look out! Oh, man, into the cage wall and down to the floor. Maddox is history. Man, you can't blame Ryback for acting this way. Oh, Ryback is furious. And now look at... Heyman running away. And Ryback's not through yet.
There you go, Punk.
And Punk trying to escape.
Hey, what a smart move by CM Punk. There's CM Punk climbing that 20-foot tall cage, trying to get to safety. Is Ryback gonna follow Punk?
Punk displaying some of that tremendous ego. Look at this. Ryback's got him.
Ryback scores with a tremendous...
Ryback hitting a shell shock on the top of the cell.
Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look who is still standing and still hungry!
Can you believe this, King? It has been bedlam at Hell in the Cell.